Hello and welcome to the Rule 32 video. Rule 32 kicks off the sections for sound and light signals. Rule 32 focuses on the definitions for the entire section. So get your notepad ready and let's jump right in. Rule 32 states that the word whistle means any sound signaling appliance capable of producing the prescribed blast and which complies with the specifications in Annex 3 to these regulations. The term short blast means a blast of about 1 second's duration. The term prolonged blast means a blast from 4 to 6 seconds duration. So this is pretty straightforward, but I want to give you some examples to make sure that you fully understand this, because this is going to make all the difference as you proceed through the entire section for sound and light signals. Part A of the rule is talking about a whistle. This simply means that every vessel needs to have a way of making the prescribed sound signals. Then part B of the rule is focusing on a short blast. A short blast has about 1 second duration and sounds like this. Now, it's important that you know the definition and the amount of time that the blast is sounded, because this is going to be covered extensively in the final exam. And you're going to notice that a lot of the questions try to trick you in the final exam. So put a star next to this one. Short blast equals 1 second duration. Now, part C of the rule is covering the definition for a prolonged blast. A prolonged blast has a duration of about 4 to 6 seconds and sounds like this. Now, this was a really short rule, but I really don't want to take away the importance of these 3 items that we just covered. Make sure you really study each of them extensively until you fully learn it, because when you get to the final exam, you're going to have multiple choice questions that try to trick you that'll look something like this. When a vessel is approaching a narrow bend in a channel, they must do which of the following? A, give a long blast of the whistle for 4 to 6 seconds. B, give a prolonged blast of the whistle for 3 seconds. C, give a short blast of the whistle for 1 second. Or D, none of the above. Now, you can see how this can become tricky if you don't fully understand the prescribed name and the duration of each item covered in this rule. So don't get tricked in the final exam. Study your notes, make sure you fully learn these, and when you're ready, I'll be waiting for you in the next video.